Traditionally, Indian agriculture has been subsistence-oriented. The Green Revolution, which was initiated during the 60s, changed all that. Gradually, India became self-sufficient in terms of food grain production. The introduction of technological and scientific innovations into the field of agriculture hastened the progress. Apart from research into agricultural practices and improved and hybrid crops, the need was also felt for an institution to impart management skills to agricultural and extension officers. Manage thus came into being in 1987 as the National Centre for Management of Agriculture Extension. It was elevated to the status of a national institute in 1992. Its mission has been to facilitate the acquisition of managerial and technical skills by extension officers, managers, scientists, and administrators in the agricultural economy. Major shifts in the Indian agriculture scenario occurred with the initiation of structural changes in the economy. Subsistence agriculture yielded its place to commercialization of agriculture. A number of opportunities for value addition opened up, such as packaging and exports of agricultural products with high-level technology. It was soon realized that the agriculture graduates coming out of universities are ill-equipped to function effectively as managers in the emerging agribusiness sector populated by agribusiness firms. Taking up this challenge, Manage has initiated a program to enable meritorious agriculture graduates to acquire competence to function as agri-business managers.
Manage has very cautious enough to change its focus, though in agriculture, along with the changing times in the economy. That is made our course more relevant to the changing times and to the changing industrial needs.
The postgraduate program in agri-business management, which was launched in 1996, is recognized by the All India Council of Technical Education. On successful completion of the course, the students will be awarded a postgraduate diploma in agribusiness. The course enables the students to develop adequate conceptual base in different subject areas, acquire sufficient operating skills in using modern management tools and techniques, develop application skills of management techniques, develop a gestalt perspective of the agribusiness sector, its complexities and challenges.
Our aim is to develop a perfect manpower to meet the new challenges coming up in this sector.
Candidates are admitted into the course after passing through a multi-stage admission procedure. All eligible applicants will have to take a computer-based objective test. Quantitative aptitude, reasoning, and proficiency in English is also tested. Based on the rank obtained in the test, candidates will be shortlisted for final selection. The final selection of the candidates will be made on the basis of their communication ability and their performance in group discussion and personal interview.
For an agriculture graduate, this is the best course available in India, and I have joined Manage to add value to my career and become a successful manager.
Manage is a pioneer institute to get in, to develop the skills which are required to serve the agribusiness and the rural sector.
The program is fully residential. The course is taught in 7 trimesters. Manage practices the Gurukul approach in teaching. In addition to the in-house faculty, students are taught by guest faculty drawn from the Indian Institutes of Management, the Indian Institutes of Technology, Xavier's Labour Relations Institute, Indian Institute of Foreign Trade, and such other institutions of excellence. A variety of teaching methods, in addition to classroom teaching, are adopted by the faculty. Case studies are discussed in the classroom so as to enable the students to analyze the cases and to explore alternative solutions to problems. Students are assigned group tasks so that they learn to function as a team and work towards achieving goals. Students are also required to work on different themes and make individual presentations regularly. Visits to farms are arranged so that students get to know and understand ground realities. These visits also help the students to contextualize the knowledge they have acquired while interacting with farmers. As part of the course, the students visit rural markets and Raitu Bazaars to understand the problems associated with the marketing of agricultural products. Quiz competitions are an integral component of academics. These keep the students always alert. The fourth trimester is designed to apply the knowledge and skills acquired during the Career 3 trimesters in live agribusiness management contexts through summer projects. During this time, the students are required to work as internees at various agribusiness firms. The course is designed in such a way that the student will become a confident, self-reliant, and efficient agribusiness manager by the end of the program.
The course has built such a confidence in me that I am ready to face any challenges in the agribusiness sector.
This particular course has added enough value to me to take up the challenges in diversified sectors.
The student performance in different academic events is evaluated. Each event or subject will carry a credit value. Total marks received by a student will be a weighted summation of marks obtained over different assessment events, including quizzes, mid-course tests, classroom participation, end-of-term examination presentation, and assignments. Manage provides in its aesthetically designed campus a unique ambience of peace and quietude to pursue education. Air-conditioned classrooms equipped with audio-visual gadgets not only provide conducive atmosphere for learning, but also enhance the learning opportunities for students. A full-fledged computer center makes the students computer savvy. The Cyberary is a novel addition to the teaching and learning process at Manage. Apart from subscribing to more than 200 journals, the Cyberary has a paperless collection of hundreds of cassettes and CD-ROMs. It also has databases and an internet connection. Video conferencing facility coupled with VSAT, which can be connected to 40 universities and institutions in the country, serves as an excellent resource base.
It's all about creating a right blend of academic learning and attitude building process, and this is what we focus upon at Manage.
This program has inculcated a complete attitudinal change in us. Now we are much more focused and organized towards our goal.
The centrally air-cooled hostels provide excellent lodging and boarding facilities for the students. A variety of recreation facilities are provided on the campus, which include a video channel, a swimming pool, tennis courts, and a gymnasium. Manage also provides placement services to its students.
The candidates from Manage are able to go into a new geography and actually set up the business and turn it into a multi-crore business.
Whereas students who come from Manage, they have a very clear mandate to be in this business. That makes a big difference.
All the students who have passed out of the institute so far have been employed by agribusiness firms.
Experience has shown that countries also move towards their areas of core competency. And in India, I feel that the core competency lies in agriculture. If I look at the different institutes which are providing technical education in agribusiness management, Manage is, I think, one of the best institutes which provides this.
Manage has started this program to provide world-class techno managers available to the industry in general and agribusiness and rural marketing in particular. To realize this vision, besides our core faculty, Manage draws the best of faculty from reputed academic institutions and also brings the practicing managers to teach to our students. There is an academic council to advise the Manage in updating of the curriculum, and the industry interface ensures that our course remains in tune with the needs of the industry.
However, the ultimate beneficiaries of this initiative of Manage will be the Indian farmers. And that is what matters, isn't it?